Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to draw your brows, making it look like this. Before we head on to the tutorial, please, if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe. Subscription is free. Thank you. Let's head on to the video. Now, to get these brows, you need just five products, which are your eyebrow pencil, your spooler or eyebrow brush, your concealer. Here I'm using the Nuban Beauty concealer, an eyeshadow blending brush, and a flat brush. First, you'll start by brushing your brows to tame them down and to define your brow shape. Then you start drawing your brows with your eyebrow pencil. Make sure your brow pencil is well sharpened and thin to make the brows well defined. To have that lifted eye effect, bring the tail of the brow upwards a little and make sure the tail of the brow is never lower than the lowest point of the front of your brow. By lifting the tail of the brow upwards, it gives your eye that lifted eye effect. After drawing the upper part of my brow, I start filling in the brows with hair-like strokes. And also, I'm filling in the brows lightly. Now you go over to your other brow to do the same thing. Now this is a little trick. Make the tail of your brow a little bit darker than the front of your brow. It's what gives it this natural, or should I say realistic appearance. Always remember to sharpen your pencil to keep it thin so that you can make a defined hair-like stroke. As you can see here, I'm filling the front of my brow and I'm filling it lightly. This is what gives you the realistic eyebrow shape. So take your time to fill the front of your brows lightly. Take your time to fill your brows as well till you get what you desired. Now I'm going in with my spooler or eyebrow brush to brush the hair. This is what will make this is what blends everything together. I don't know if you understand. You can, if you have a toothbrush around, you can use it as well. But it's more preferable if you use an eyebrow brush. Here I went in with my concealer. Your concealer should be at least one shade or two shades lighter than your skin. I applied a little bit of concealer on my hand and I went in with my brush. I'm only going to conceal the tail and the arc part of my brows just to clean it up so that it will be more defined, and I'm using a flat brush. Always make sure you use a flat brush. Here I went in with an eyeshadow blending brush to blend the concealer under my brows. I went on to do the same thing on my other brow, still concealing the arc part and the tail of my brow. Now this part is not necessary, but I went in with the shade of my foundation to clean the upper part of my brow just to define the eyebrow. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Now I'm doing the same thing on my other brow. You should only use your shade of foundation to clean up your upper brow. When you get the upper brow, only use your shade of foundation. Don't go in with your concealer. It's more preferable to use your shade of foundation to clean up any mess or to define or redefine your upper brow. And now we are done making these lovely eyebrows. Guys, if you have any question you would wish to ask regarding this eyebrow, then drop a comment on the comment box below and I will reply. Thank you guys for watching this eyebrow tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment and share. And yes, if you have any question you would wish to ask concerning this eyebrow tutorial, you can comment on the comment box and I will reply. Guys, it will mean a lot to me if you subscribe to my channel. So subscribe to my channel. Subscription is free. Thank you guys once more. I love you. Bye.